By now, you should be familiar with methods for generating insights into your data, but the most powerful and effective data insights you can generate are time-based. In this video, you'll explore the concept of time intelligence and discover its importance by reviewing some scenarios where it can be applied. Over at AdventureWorks, the company is preparing its sales strategies and marketing campaigns for the year ahead. As part of its preparation, it needs to generate insights into time-related data, like seasonal trends, annual growth, and specific sales periods. AdventureWorks can generate insights into these time-related aspects of its business by using time intelligence functions. As the AdventureWorks scenario suggests, time intelligence functions refers to methods and processes that aggregate and compare data over time. Data analysts can deploy time intelligence functions to analyze data based on time-related dimensions. Time-related dimensions include dates, weeks and months, and quarters and years. You can also generate comparisons of time-related data over annual periods and year-to-date, or YTD. So why do data analysts view time intelligence as important? Time intelligence provides the ability to analyze data within the context of time. This enables a more in-depth understanding of trends and patterns. As the earlier AdventureWorks example demonstrates, this data plays a significant role in a business's ability to generate insights to help with its planning, forecasting, and decision-making processes. Let's explore a few other benefits of time intelligence. Time intelligence is useful for trend analysis. Identifying trends in past business performance is crucial for future decisions. For example, AdventureWorks can use time intelligence data to examine historical sales trends and recognize if certain products sell better at specific times of the year. Identifying trends in past business performance is crucial for future decisions. Insights derived from time intelligence also help with forecasting and predictive analysis. AdventureWorks can forecast future trends and plan activity based on historical trends. It can make informed predictions about sales and demands, which helps with resource planning, budgeting, and risk management. For instance, if the data shows a consistent increase in mountain bike sales every spring, the company can ensure adequate inventory before the season starts. Time intelligence also enables real-time performance monitoring. This is possible by creating dynamic measures like year-to-date or YTD and month-to-date or MTD. AdventureWorks can use these measures to monitor real-time performance against key performance indicators. The company can then use these insights to respond quickly to changing conditions. Time intelligence calculations facilitate comparative analysis. An example of this is year-over-year or YOY functions. AdventureWorks can compare its current growth rate, sales performance, and other metrics against data from previous years to analyze its progress. Time intelligence also facilitates the optimization of sales and marketing strategies. AdventureWorks can analyze its sales trends and the impact of its marketing efforts over time. It can then use the results of these analyses to fine-tune its marketing strategies and sales tactics to improve its results. Now that you know its benefits, your next question might be, how do I use time intelligence? Implementing time intelligence involves creating calculated fields and measures to analyze data over time. You can use Power BI's automatic time intelligence features or deploy DAX formulas to create quick measures. Power BI offers an auto date time feature that allows easy data analysis by year, quarter, month, and date. This is useful for smaller data models. Power BI automatically creates one date table for each date column in the date model to analyze data by different date attributes. This table is hidden from the user because Power BI handles it automatically. You can also use custom DAX calculations to shape your data model and implement time intelligence calculations with more complex and non-standard requirements. Time intelligence is essential for understanding and visualizing time-related trends and patterns in data. As a Power BI developer, mastery of time intelligence calculations is key to generating meaningful information from your data.